Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we do our cucumber and yogurt salad. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you how we do our cucumber and yogurt salad. And we will post the recipe for you on our Facebook page or our social media channels, and of course the video will be in our YouTube channel. But first, if you like to subscribe or join us YouTube channel, or you can join us on Facebook or other social media as well, if you like. All right, let's do this. We're gonna need yogurt. You could use non-fat or whatever you like. And we're gonna have some dill, cucumbers, of course. We're gonna have garlic, red onions, lemon and lemon zest, some salt and pepper, and of course we're gonna have some dried mint and olive oil. I think it's a good idea, before you start a recipe, is to have everything at your disposal, everything ready, like you have everything in place before you start your recipe. And here now we started cutting the cucumber. You can slice the cucumber, you can dice it, it's up to you. And here we are cutting the onions in the small pieces, and then we'll add it to the cucumber. And here now we gonna add the dill after we chop it. And now we're gonna add the dried mint here. We put it in a strainer after we leave it from stem, and then we can add it to the salad. And here we adding the mint. It's a good idea to do it in a strainer where it becomes fine, and if there is anything sharp or anything that twigs or anything, that you can keep it in the strainer. So after we added the mint, this is our Lebanese mint. This is different than peppermint. These are a special mint. It doesn't have, it has a beautiful, nice minty flavor. So you could find this in a Lebanese specialty store. And now we're gonna add some lemon zest, and we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Of course, the seasoning is gonna be up to your taste. Now we are doing the recipe according to the recipe, and then we're gonna be tasting it and adjusting it to our taste. And now we're gonna add the garlic. We're gonna zest it. This zester is a good way to do garlic fast. It makes it nice and creamy. And now we're gonna add some pepper and salt to taste. Actually, you follow the recipe and then adjust it to your taste. It's a good idea first to put the salt in your hand and season your food. This way you have more control. Now after we did all these recipe ingredients, now we're gonna add some olive oil and mix it all together before we add the yogurt. Now we're gonna mix it with the olive oil and all the seasoning that we added. The cucumber, the onion, the dill, the mint, and the olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon zest, lemon juice. And we're tasting, we're gonna be doing the recipe and tasting it as we go along to make sure that's what we want. And now we're gonna be adding the yogurt. So we're gonna mix everything together and make sure that's the consistency we want. And then we're gonna taste it and make sure the seasoning is right to our taste or to your taste. Of course, you're gonna do it to your taste. We tasted it and we added a little bit salt and pepper, and it seems that it needs a little more garlic to our taste. So we're gonna add another clove of garlic to the dish, and maybe we're gonna be adding a little bit of olive oil as well. And here we added a little bit of olive oil, and now we're gonna mix it. And I think the taste will be just fine after that. So now we're tasting it, and how does it taste? Nice?
Mm-hmm.
Does it need anything?
Mm-mm.
All right. So here it is. We are done. It tastes delicious. It's a beautiful summer salad. Very refreshing, healthy, and very easy to do. Enjoy. Okay, I hope you guys you do the recipe and let us know. And don't forget to join us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join us on Facebook and on the other social media channels if you like. Okay, bye for now.